All right, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got another short ride and review for you today. I am going to Mr. Paradise. Mr. Paradise is a East Village bar, very well known for their incredible burger. I think it's like a double patty, if I remember correctly. It's been a while since I had it. Like a double patty with this really awesome cheese sauce on it. Love it. A lot of traffic right now because it's rush hour. But I'm going here because they have restarted their Paradise Prime, which is when they offer prime rib. It's basically an all-in meal. You get sides, desserts, nice roasted prime rib. So I'm really looking forward to that. Meeting the cake dealer here. And it's really not far at all. I'm on Allen right now. I just basically got to cross over Houston and it becomes First Ave, and then it's up on the left at like 6. So yeah, I should be able to find a good spot to lock this up and hop right in, keep my eye on it, because it's not a big place. Ultimately, it's just a bar, but they have really good food. Yeah, that burger though, it's great. It's got a dry aged patty, a lot of flavor. Cheese is just incredible. I might have to get that too. We'll see how hungry I am. They got great cocktails here. They do good martini. They do like tiki drinks, really fun stuff. And I think it's right here. Yeah, here we go. Oh, perfect. There's a bike fucking thing right here. Lock it up right there. All right, I'll see you guys on the inside.
On the front.
Slow motion. You got some stuff before. Yeah, but I don't think we're getting
Whew! Mr. Paradise Prime. That was great prime rib. You saw we got like shrimp cocktail with it, salad, desserts. I like that it's all in. There was enough food, I didn't need the burger. Perfectly cooked. Just how I like it. Nice piece of cap around the edge where all that flavor is on the edge of a prime rib. I highly recommend this place. Great martinis, great cocktails. Fun bar. The guys that run the joint, they're really fun, they're good people. So I like to support. So yeah, Paradise Prime, they offer it basically once a week. Make sure you reserve it quick because they fill up spots fast. Thanks for watching. Make sure you jump out to the website, JohnnyPrimeSteaks.com, for the full review, all the pictures. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your fucking grandma.